You are not done. You take the tweezer. I can't see myself, okay? So guys, you're gonna have to bear with me. Ta-da! Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is MXR. If you're new here, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click the subscription button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you all for watching, and y'all know the drill, okay? In today's video, I'm just gonna go straight to the point. This is not gonna be a very long video. This is just gonna be like, yeah, a very short video. And in this video, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to fix your lashes. And yeah, mind you, I'm a beginner myself. I've just fixed my lashes like 3 or 4 times. No, sorry, let me say 4 or 5 times. And I'm just gonna be teaching you what I learned from like the times I fixed my lashes. And you know what? I've watched a lot of videos where people were fixing their lashes. I am always reading comments, and from what I've understood is like these people make it seem so easy, but it's not easy. You know, and because I was trying to like fix my lashes. I've always been trying to fix my lashes. I got this type of lashes, which is like more of like single lashes, like I can just place it on the lash line. And I have like 2 of this, and I'm gonna tell y'all it wasn't comfortable for me anyways. I was like, okay, then what other lashes do they have? And I was like, always see these cluster lashes. In the beginning I was like, these cluster lashes are something I'm never gonna try, because even if single lashes is like hard for me, cluster lashes are gonna be harder, right? But that wasn't the case. This is very easy to fix, and it's the one I've been using for the past, I don't know, those 4 or 5 times I've been using my lashes, and it lasts very long. For me, it takes like sometimes 4 or 5 days. That because I put water in my face, I can wash my face, you know. And when you get water on the glue, it's very, very possible for the lashes to start falling off. But if you want to like let it stay longer, you have to be careful with the way you wash your face. Then it's gonna last even longer. And yeah, let's just get straight into the video. I think I'm doing too much talking, because I'm filming with my phone's back camera, so I'm trying to stay very close to the camera right now. First off, you want to put the glue on your lashes, and then you have to like wait a few seconds. It doesn't have to stay long. And then you're gonna place the lashes on your lash line. Cluster lashes do have different lengths, but this one I'm gonna be using today has the same length. First off, you want to make your lashes in place. So I can't see myself, okay? So guys, you're gonna have to bear with me. And then this is like a glue. We have the bond and the seal. I got this from Shein, and even the lashes from Shein. So this is like the glue you use for it, and this seal is the one you place on the lashes after you done bonding it. If that makes sense. Bond is mostly like the glue, and you're gonna be needing your tweezers, your glue, tweezer, and your lashes, and that's what we're gonna be using today. The glue on your lashes, like so. Make sure the glue is all over the lashes, but do it very gently, because the lashes could like start sticking to each other, and you don't want that. Do the same thing on the other eye. Now we have the glue on the lashes, and then we're gonna take our lashes and our tweezer, like so. Place it on your lash line. I mean on your lashes, sorry. You put the lashes on your lash, just like that. You see? Then you do the same for the rest of the lashes. So I'm gonna be exactly the same. Exactly the way you do this, you're gonna do it on the other side of the eye. So I don't want to bore you guys, so I'm just gonna do that really fast. Depending on the size of your lash line, you can put more, but like I love mine with 4, and I love the way it looks with my eye. So now you want to take the seal, like I said, you don't want to put it over the lashes. And what this does basically is to just seal the lashes together. And what you do, you're not done. You are not done. You take the tweezer, your lashes, and you want to like pin them together. Like you want to pin them together. You want to make them more natural to look very, very natural. And then, ta-da! We are done fixing our lashes. You see the way it looks. And yeah, if you guys like the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, that's gonna be all for this video. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, make sure you put it down in the comment section, and I'm going to be answering all your questions. And yeah, and if you would love for me to make a video about anything regarding like your face, your makeup, whatever. And yeah, I'm gonna be making it for you guys because that's what we do for the girls, right? Yeah. Anyways, thank you all for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more future updates. And yeah, that's gonna be all for this video. Bye, and thank you for watching.